Like you, ServiceMaster Clean believes in caring for others. We understand that the vendors you hire reflect back on you, good or bad, and we know that patient satisfaction is more critical now than ever before. It affects medical facilities' revenue through reimbursements and negative compensation adjustments, as well as patient acquisition and retention costs. Medical professionals work hard to maintain and improve patient relationships, bedside manner, and office management. But what about all those factors you can't control? Why can't your vendors align their focus to address these concerns? At ServiceMaster Clean, we've done just that. Introducing the ServiceMaster Clean Patient-Centered Cleaning Program. We're focused on protecting and increasing patient satisfaction and driving ROI by aligning our services to the needs of your medical facility. Our business is no longer about just cleaning well. It's about supporting medical facilities by constantly improving our processes and procedures, recognizing our impact on patient satisfaction, and ultimately improving your ROI. This program works with you to help increase your facility's patient satisfaction, protect compensation adjustments, drive patient retention, and improve the overall experience of every patient you care for. You've got a lot riding on patient satisfaction, and that's exactly why we developed the ServiceMaster Clean Patient-Centered Cleaning Program. ServiceMaster Clean. We stop at nothing to get the job done right.